Namaste everybody. Today I am going to start the question answer session of The Boy Who Borrowed the Book. Last day we have discussed the story in detail, and today I am Vijay Kumar present before you with the question answers. If you see page number 41 of English Reader book of class 5 B.4, tick the correct options to complete the sentences. Benny completed reading a book in 3 options has been given: 3 days, half a day, 2 hours. What will be the right answer? Half a day. Benny got books only. 3 options has been given: at Christmas time, on his birthday, when he demanded them. What should be the right? Of course, first one, at Christmas day or time. Third, Benny had the habit of, 3 options has been given: stealing things, lending things, borrowing things. Of course, the right answer is borrowing things. When the children asked for their books back, Benny, 3 options has been given: returned them, avoided them, pretended that he had not got them. What should be the right answer? Avoided them. Second one. Fifth one, you see, all the borrowed books wanted to, number 1, return to their owners, say with Benny, praise Benny's passion for reading books, wanted to return their owners. This is the right answer. The funny dream that Benny narrated to his mother was about, first option, he is reading a funny book, he is writing a book, books walking down stairs and running away. This is the right answer. Third one, books walking down stairs and running away. Books made book number 7, books made funny feel ashamed, and so he, number 1, did not talk to his friends, number 2, returned all borrowed things, cried loudly. Books made feel ashamed, and so he, what he did? He returned all borrowed things. Second one's question number 7, answer is correct. 8. Benny promised to borrow books, number 1, again and again, only if he returned them quickly, only from relatives. Right answer is only if returned them from quickly. This should be ticked. Now we come next questions, and B.5, this is your question. First question, B.5, page number 42. What was Benny's favorite hobby? Benny's favorite hobby was reading books. This is the answer. Benny's favorite hobby was reading books. This is the answer. Question number 2, B.5, question number 2. What kind of book did Benny want? Answer will be, Benny wanted the book to be as long as a dictionary, so that he could continue without break. I repeat the answer. Benny wanted the book to be as long as dictionary, so that he could read continue without break. Question number 3. How many books did he have? Answer. He had only 8 books of his own, as he did not have enough money to buy. I repeat the answer. Question number 3. He had only 8 books of his own, as he didn't have enough money to buy. Now we come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, Why could Benny not bear to return books? Question number 4 answer. Benny could not bear to return the books because at first he forgot to give them. Later on, when he saw that his bookcase was filling up gradually with these books, he willingly did not bear them to give back. I repeat your answer, question number 4. Benny could not bear to return the books because at first he forgot to give them. Later on, gradually with these books, he willingly didn't bear them to give back. Question number 5. Whose voices did Benny hear one night? One night when he was sleeping, suddenly he heard some voices which was coming from his study room. When he tried to listen it properly, he understood that these voices were of those books which he borrowed from others. Question number 6. What horrid things had Benny done with one of the books? Benny had done. Question your, what horrid things had Benny done with one of the books? Benny had turned some of the pages of the books to mark his place, and that is a horrid thing to do with book. It means he had not read the books. He kept the books in the shelf after borrowing it. Is that clear? Now question number 7. How did the books leave the house? How did the books leave the house? Answer. The books pushed the door to open, and walking down stairs, they went into a little room of the house, and from the open window of the hall they went. I repeat your answer, question number 7. The books pushed the door to open, and walking down stairs, they went into the little room of the hall and left the house from the open window of the hall. Now we come to the points. Question number 7. Why were the children surprised when Benny returned them their things? The children were surprised when Benny returned them their books because the children thought that Benny could never return them and kept them to him. I repeat your answer, question number 8. The children were surprised when Benny returned them their books because the children thought that Benny could never return them and kept them to him. Now we come to question number B.8. B.6 and 7. You have not to do this time. Question number B.8. Find words from the story which mean the same as the following. Number 1. Created a false impression. Pretended. 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 Question number B.8. Second. Angry. Cross. CROSS. Third. Strange. Peculiar. PECULIAR. Horrible. 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 Horrid. 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 Hurry in disorderly manner. Helter skelter. HELTR. Helter. Skelter. 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 Helter skelter. Strange or queer. Queer. Queer means what? Strange or odd. This is all about your questions, answers of your chapter The Boy Who Borrowed the Books. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have not subscribed, you must subscribe it. And the next day again we will meet with a new video. That's all. Bye.